So today's vlog is probably going to be a little bit more somber than the other vlogs have been. You see, a month ago today, southern Missouri and northern Arkansas had historic flooding. You know, a lot of people throw the word epic around and stuff like that. This is the meaning of epic. This is the meaning of historic. If I were on any map at all, which I'm not, the river that put me on that map, the North Fork of the White River, was absolutely devastated in these floods. So today is a river cleanup for the North Fork of the White River. There are outfitters here, there are volunteers, there's water patrol. This is a really good thing. Some of the people that lost the most are here, which is the coolest thing ever. Some of these outfitters were absolutely were devastated. River of Life Farm, Sunburst Ranch, these places will never be the same, ever. And they're out here helping clean the river. Not clean their own land or anything like that. They're cleaning the river. And I just think this is a really cool thing. So, but we're here today for the river and to bring awareness to what really happened. I will give you some more details on some areas where you can help. There will be links in the description, and you know, not much. You know, I think one of the coolest things is Sunburst Ranch is letting people sponsor trees. They lost all the trees on their campground. They're gone, and they're letting people sponsor a tree. So I mean, just cool stuff like that. They're not, you know, they're not asking for, you know, big donations so they can go do what they want to do. They're asking you to sponsor a tree. Really cool stuff. So to give you an idea of what kind of flooding came through this area, the river behind me is the North Fork of the White, obviously. It's a little high right now. I'm about to drop the camera. It's a little high right now, but it's what we would call pretty good fishing water. Well, it was 40 feet above us right now, and you can see where it was. So that was a beautiful cabin that Jeanette and I and the kids stayed in a couple years ago at River of Life, and yeah, that's all that's left. So